Hello and namaste. Hi, this is Bala Saraswati. I am a coach and founder and director of Vedas Ignite Global. In the past 10 plus years, we have seen that lots and lots of little kids at a very young age, from age 3 up, have been born with a lot of talent. We see them on the stage in all India singing level events, star awards or star events for music, for acting. We see them in lots of serials. We see them, little kids, performing very well in sports. We see them performing well in music, but they are not able to pursue that after their primary or middle school level. Till primary, the academic load is quite okay. Hence, the parent is very enthusiastic to take the children everywhere, put them into various kinds of competitions and take them ahead. But after a few years, like after 5th, 6th, 7th standard, we don't see children. Like when I meet that parent and ask them, where has your child reached and how far has he gone? General answer that I get is, oh, that was all possible when he was in primary level. Now, academic load is so high, we cannot balance between traveling to Bombay, traveling to Delhi, different places, shoots at different times, waiting for one scene for 4-5 hours. So much of distraction, mother traveling, sometimes father traveling, the other child in the house is disturbed. So much of money spent, and hence the parent give up on continuing the passion for that child. Hello, we are in 2025, 2026. Today's children are born with so much of talent. Don't you think they need to be supported for that? So if you're a parent who's upset, confused, not sure, not confident whether the child can continue their passion with their profession, don't worry. It's 100% possible today. We want our Indian children to reach the world stage. We want more and more Indian children to reach the world stage, and that's only possible when we pull them off from the regular mainstream pressure and put them for a much relaxed method, stress-free method, comfortable method of learning, where they can learn at their own pace, choose subjects at their own pace, write exams at their own pace. When I say pace is not ability or inability. Pace is, okay, I have an exam next month, but I also have a shoot next month. What do I choose? So definitely choose the shoot. Exams can be rescheduled for the child. Isn't that so wonderful that exams can be conducted any time of the year, but shoots cannot be rescheduled, because shoots require an entire army of people involved and you cannot change it. So imagine if you can do that with low mental pressure, beautiful connection with people who are going to work with these children. I think the child is really going to do well, and we have done this for many children. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you are somebody who looking for help, click the link below, connect with us. We at Vedas Ignite Global will be more than happy to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.